Hi everyone, in front of me I've got Samsung Galaxy F23 and let me share with you how to update apps on this device. So basically, first of all, you have to make sure that you've got the internet connection, and of course, because it is required to download something, and I highly recommend to use the Wi-Fi instead of mobile data. So if you are ready with the internet connection, let's enter the Play Store. Of course, you will have to sign in if you're not already logged in. And now just tap on the circle, which is your account. Now let's tap on Manage Apps and Device and enter Manage. And as you can see here, we've got the list of all apps which are currently installed on this device. So in order to check the updates, just tap on Updates Available. And as you can see right now, I've got 20 updates which I can download. So all you have to do right now is to simply find the app which you would like to update and mark it. So let me mark Gmail, and as you can see, you can of course mark more, you can mark all of them if you want to. And after that, just tap on this update icon in the right upper corner. And as you can see right now, this update will be downloaded, and after that it will be successfully installed and automatically updated. So basically you do not really need to do anything more. So actually this is it. This is how to update apps in your Samsung Galaxy F23. Thank you so much for watching. I hope that this video was helpful, and if it was, please hit the subscribe button and leave the thumbs up.